these kids are so talented, and oh my God, I'm calling them kids. That's so bad. But all of them are so talented, and they have such strong opinions. They're ready to voice their consent and voice their dissent about anything, and they have all of this exposure and this confidence and this that. As in, I don't know, I feel like when I was the first year, there was nothing, I wasn't that confident. I did not know how to voice out my opinion. I did not have an opinion for that.
Hi Sharanya, how are you? Yes, firstly, thank you so much, Sharanya, for, coming live with me. So this is something that...
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
The first thing what I want to tell everyone is about you, that, she is the girl next door. And yeah, so actually, she is my neighbor, and we have never interacted much. So today it was, I guess, the first time when we actually
We'll be interacting through this platform.
Yeah. Sharanya, before I tell anything about you, I would request you, why don't you go and elaborate everything about yourself, who you are, how you have to be in these days, like from scratch, everything, so that people can understand you more.
Okay, so I'm a fashion student. I'm a knitwear design student, and I come from a defense background. So my dad's in the Navy, my mom's a therapist, and I've not grown up in one particular place. I've done growing up in a lot of places. So that's really impacted a lot of my
conditioning, upbringing, right? Yeah.
Correct. So yeah, I think that's about it at this point.
That's actually interesting. Like I really get to interact with people like this who have been, traveling to a lot of. Since you said that you have a defense background, your father, your dad, he is from defense. So, आपकी जो upbringing रही होगी, I believe it would have been in various cities, right? Like traveling from one place to other. Like, how has it been?
It has. Yeah. I mean, I've essentially grown up more in Bombay and Delhi, but my crucial years have happened in Vizag in Andhra Pradesh. So if I have to think of one particular place that has really impacted me in terms of my friend circle, in terms of my perspective, my opinion, it has to be Vizag. So it's got less to do with where I am from or where I've grown up the most, and more to do with the kind of people I've grown up with, or what kind of culture has impacted me more. So that way Vizag has been more influential.
तो जो ये दिल्ली का एक्सपीरियंस होता है, जो बॉम्बे का एक्सपीरियंस होता है, एंड देन जो वाइजैक का, these are like poles apart actually. मतलब कि I have myself been in Delhi for like 3 or 4 years. तो मुझे वो एक्सपीरियंस एक पता है, मैं मुंबई ट्रैवल करते रहता हूँ, तो वहाँ पे भी देखा है. तो यार ये जो इधर से उधर जो आपका जो मूवमेंट रहा है, एंड देन यू से कि नहीं, वाइजैक इज समथिंग दैट हैज इम्पैक्टेड मोर, और दैट गिव्स यू अ पर्सपेक्टिव टू थिंक. सो I really want to understand, or if you can talk about that perspective exactly. तो वो क्या perspective होता है जो मतलब your ideas of thinking, or today if you are here something, the kind of hobbies, interests, or how you have reached up to this level. वो जो आपका एक बचपन रहा है, तो step by step, जो जैसे हम कहते हैं ना सीढ़ी चढ़ना. So if something like that, if you can little bit more elaborate, यार humble नहीं होना है, brag as much as you can.
When I say that I've done most of my, the crucial years of growing up, let's say, so I was in Vizag from class 7th to I think class 10th. And it just so happened that, the kind of school I was going to, the kind of friend circle that I had at that point of time, and, the kind of people, my professors, all at that point of time, the kind of impact that they had. In fact, my mom's an artist, so my mom used to go for these art classes in Vizag, and she used to take me to this artist. And wahan pe the culture was that all these ladies, they would find time during the weekend from their weekly chores, and they would come and gather around in the living room, and they would just paint. They would paint their heart out, and everyone had a different way, to perceive painting. So one of them would probably sit outside in the balcony. One of them would sit inside in the room listening to music. Then a couple of them would sit in a circle, and they would talk and exchange कि अच्छा घर पे क्या चल रहा है, what is happening in the world, and regular जो उनकी बातें होती हैं. And I used to really like this atmosphere, the fact that I'm sitting among all of these ladies, and they were all they were from various backgrounds, various age groups, and the one thing that really combined them was their love for art. So every weekend mama would take me and I wouldn't paint, to be very honest. बाकी सब paint करते थे, मैं बस उन्हें सुनती थी. I would just listen to them talk. I would listen to them share their experiences, paint. I would see how auntie is giving them feedback, and that's where I realized, I think that I had a passion for a field where expression was through a creative medium. Correct. So that's when I mean design, the clarity for design did not happen to me for a very long time, but my love Correct. For art came through that. And the fact that people are just gathering around, it's this platform of art, and they're talking, they're sharing, and they're expressing themselves through their painting, and they're using that as a medium. So when I say perspective, when I say that's what had an impact on me, this is what I mean, that something as simple as just going for these art classes and Correct. Hearing these women talk and hearing them talk about how at that point of time fine arts was not such a big field, or how they could not pursue something, or they found this whatever their form, whatever inspired them, or whatever problems they faced. So it was just nice. It was just really nice listening to them, hearing their stories, probably realizing that maybe I do find this as a very interesting form of expression, art as a very interesting form of expression. So that was Vizag. And then Delhi happened. I did my high school in Delhi, and let's not even call it high school, we'll call it 11th, 12th. High school sounds very cool.
Yeah, actually, correct.
Nice. So I did 11th, 12th, and I was a science student. So
okay.
Unfortunately, I don't know why I took that subject combination. And the only one thing that what happened in my school is that they made a 6 subject compulsory. So हमारे school में apart from your regular selection, आपको एक 6 subject लेना था कि in case the 5 subjects का मतलब basically it was like a backup. So everyone in my class had taken physical education because it was easier कि अच्छा ठीक है, end of the year you can give the examination, you can give a practical exam and you're sorted. You don't have Correct. To waste your weeks, you don't have to waste your time actually studying for this. So I was also pretty sorted ki mama papa I want to take I've already done this blunder of taking science, so I might as well take PE, and physical education will give me more time to study. And my parents jumped on me and they were like, you've already taken a subject combination that you can't survive in this at this point, and it was too late to change. Correct. And unfortunately, I don't even have this, I can't say that I had parental pressure. I was only, I was probably, I don't know what I was thinking when I had chosen those subjects. But at that point of time, my parents told me that you have to, now that you have the option of taking a 6th subject and you have, everything open for you, take a subject that you're genuinely interested in. And so the one subject that I was actually very interested and very focused towards at that point of time was fine arts. But fine arts mein issue kya tha? You had to have a portfolio by the end of your 2 years. You had to have about 15-20 paintings. And what happened is, it was a lot of work. So I told my mom that, listen, I'll take it, but nahi ho payega. It's going to require a lot of time and effort. And my mom's like, shut up, I'll help you out. But you are at least take one subject now that you're actually interested in, and I will help you. We will do it together, whether it's making a portfolio, whether it's whatever, we will figure it out. But now take one subject that you're genuinely interested in. And that's how fine arts happened. And I swear, I don't think I've bunked ever, but every chance I would get, I would always go rush to the art studio in my school and I would just sit there and paint. I think I stopped caring about the whole study factor of 11th and 12th, and I was just focused towards the 6th subject. And was the art studio, वहाँ का जो environment था, बस वहाँ पे आके again it was the same thing. People are coming and they're painting, and he's not, my professor had not given us any boundary or any limitation कि देखो ये paint करना है, ये medium है, या ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है. Nothing of that sort. He just said देखो canvas तुम्हारे सामने है, तुम्हारे पास अभी ये period free है, फिर तुम्हारी classes शुरू हो जाएंगी, तो you paint your heart out, do whatever you like. Correct. And that's what happened. I really liked those classes. Again, I think somewhere down the line it stimulated the fact that okay, this is where I am focused, or this is where I'm interested in. And unlike most of my contemporaries, colleagues, friends, classmates, they all had it really figured कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. I did not have that. I was very confused. I was very privileged. I didn't have to worry about all of that until it really fell on my head कि अच्छा, अब 12th आ गया, अब सोचो क्या करना है.
Yes.
Yeah, so I joined one of those classes. It was a week-long class, and this was my introduction to design. I never came from a design background. I did not know, that there are so many nuances to design. Design has so many layers to itself. I had a very close-minded opinion about design. I didn't know that design was there's product design, and there's fashion communication, and there's graphic design, and you have there's it's an entire spectrum, and so many people are not aware of this fact, and I was one of them. And 1 week, I swear to God, 1 week, and the amount of clarity I got, and people would just come there, and their entire idea was that we are putting a problem in front of you have to give us a solution in a creative way. And that 1 week, I think that 1 week was, I had that clarity that I don't know what I'm going to do in design, but this is the field I want to go into. So I think to some extent, all of the credit goes to, not even some extent, all of the credit goes to my parents. They pushed me. I just knew I wanted to get into design. I knew I wanted to be around people, who were willing to solve problems, who were looking at it from a very creative point of view, who just wanted to talk about problem solving and, brainstorm in different directions, however stupid the idea may be. कि अच्छा ऐसे करते हैं, वैसे करते हैं. And obviously when I started, my ideas were probably like that. But just the fact that we're all sitting in a room and we're just brainstorming, I realized that, these are the kind of people I want to be with. These are the kind of people I want to work with, and this is the kind of person I want to become.
But the entire journey, the way you specified. So I was connecting to a lot of those things. So maybe just one thing that, the support of the parents. So what happens is, I always say one thing, two roads diverged in woods, and I chose for the less traveled one, and that made the difference. So it's something which I very much connect to, because when I remember, I'm from an ICSE school. So when we are in class 8, in 8th standards, we are asked to choose post that whether you want to take science or commerce, like 9th, 10th. So first thing that, there is a pressure always from the parents' end is to go for science. And I won't say that it's their, they pushed me or they pressurized me. It's not their mistake, because that's what the fall was of the entire, that was something which was in the air. So that's something I'll have to do. Everybody used to do the same. अगर मैं नहीं लूँगा तो मेरे parents को छोड़ दो. So I mean, people around me, my own friends, they will tell me कि यार तुमने commerce लिया, तुम science नहीं ले पाए. That kind of a mentality people had at that point of time.
The mentality and the fact that, a lot of times you don't have this clarity. So the best excuse that everyone around you, they'll convince you कि अच्छा तुम्हें पता नहीं तुम्हें क्या करना है. अच्छा तुम confused हो तो science ले लो, तुम्हारे options खुल जाएंगे.
It's an easy option.
That right, honestly, I now that I think about it, it took me a really long time to even figure out that science was actually a very bad decision on my end. It was 2 years down in college that I realized that I didn't have to put myself through this. मेरे options खुले रहते. I was very clear that I didn't want to do anything in science. I just took it कि नहीं हमें तो पढ़ाई करनी है. 10th में बड़ा मजा आया था, and I want to continue studying. I want to know why why does this happen in the world, or why does that happen in the world. And so I took science, and it took me quite some time to come to terms with the fact that that was the wrong decision, and I shouldn't have taken it. I shouldn't have I put myself through an ordeal which was not necessary, just because I don't know, it could have been some kind of the mentality. It could have been my own fault, whatever it was. But like you said, no one questions the fact that you're a science student. People will always encourage it.
Right? Yeah.
It's just if you're not, I think if you're not interested, just don't do it. Don't think of how things are going to turn out later on. But if you're not interested, just don't. But I don't know if that's a practical approach for things, but I think what I've learned through the years and through my education, I've realized that if I'm not into something, if my heart is not there, then I cannot perform. I cannot bring out productivity. Struggled for 2 years, you did not enjoy it. So irrespective of whatever field you choose to do, we will support you, and I get it, I have that privilege. I know a lot of people don't. So just to convince their parents to get into a field like design is also such a struggle. It's such a milestone for them कि भाई हम पहुंच गए यहाँ पे, हमारे लिए उतना easy नहीं था. So a lot of things came very easily for me that way, because my parents were on my head that now you're going to choose what you genuinely like, बाकी हम handle कर लेंगे. But hats off to anyone who could convince their parents, I know how to create a name for myself. This is what I want to study. This is how I want to do it. And I've seen a lot of my friends, a lot of my peers have been able to do that, and they're doing very well. Because, they could pass that bridge of, convincing people around them, convincing themselves that I am interested in this field. I want to be a part of this field. I want to reach a certain point of expectation. I want to be able to perform, and they're doing really well. They're actually doing
really
very well.
right, yeah.
Correct.
Right, yeah. Correct. पता है, so that's what I have been telling. जब अभी आपने बताया ना, I was actually, why I said that I'm connecting is because it's something which is common across India. मतलब it's common there with all the students. Dots are scattered. That people are confused about what to do. And I don't think there is anyone who is talking much about arts and this kind of fine arts or design kind of a field. Like for example, me myself, जैसे मैंने बताया, मैंने वो तो गलती कर दी, साइंस ले लिया. 11th and 12th when I was in Delhi, वहां पे भी मैंने वही गलती की जो एक पेरेंट्स का एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है कि 10th में अगर बच्चे ने बहुत ज्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर किया तो I was pushed to take again. जैसा आपने कहा that everybody doesn't have the privilege, to get that support from their parents. So मेरे पेरेंट्स ने वो मुझे सपोर्ट उस टाइम पे इसलिए नहीं किया because they were not aware about it. I was the first guy from my hometown, और वहाँ पे एक लोकल न्यूज़पेपर आती है दैनिक जागरण, नॉट लोकल एक्चुअली, अक्रॉस इंडिया, जिसमें मेरा बड़ा सा आर्टिकल छपा था. तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई वाज वेरी मच हैप्पी, बट पोस्ट दैट व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड इज कि यार मैंने इतना बड़ा तो कोई काम किया नहीं था कि मेरा नाम न्यूज़पेपर में आना चाहिए. It's just because that people doesn't know or people are not aware about these kind of career options. So after that, जब मैं कॉलेज में आया, then I started promoting these kind of career options, and maybe आज भी जो मैं करता हूँ, the idea is getting people like you is that you guys can share your insights or share your experiences so that we can spread this across to all the people. And अभी भी जब भी ऐसे कोई भी सेमिनार या मैं काउंसलिंग में जाता हूँ, तो I always talk about this thing, the experience that you are telling, and I believe in not counseling the students but counseling their parents and making them aware that these are also things which are available, and they should not push their students their children, rather they should help them taking a call and taking a wise call on what their interests are, what their hobbies are. क्योंकि ये जो एक चीज होती है ना, जो इंटरेस्ट और हॉबीज जो आपने बोला, आप कभी ना कभी रियलाइज करते ही करते हो एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन योर लाइफ, एंड वो कभी मरता नहीं है, वो हमेशा आपके अंदर रहता है. आप आज रियलाइज करो या यू रियलाइज आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बट एंड दैट्स ओनली दैट मेक्स द डिफरेंस. लाइक आई सेड, वो जो कहते हैं ना, वो रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट का एक पोम है जो मैंने डिसाइड किया था, रोड, या एग्जैक्टली. तो आई वेरी मच कनेक्ट टू दोस पोम्स. मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा लिटरेचर वाला हूँ. I believe कि I always am inclined towards literature, but those are the moments, those are the things. अपने क्लास 8 का पहला बार स्टेज पे चढ़ना, ऐसे पोएट्री रिसाइट करना, तो कहीं ना कहीं से it was that direction that I came into this kind of fashion journalism and then getting into visual communication. शायद वही एक तरीका था. So that's very much common. Looking at how someone is coming from a defense background and how finally she reaches to getting into fashion studies or design studies, and the entire journey that you are talking about, and taking this as a relevant example for a lot of people who are actually struggling to get into such kind of fields, or actually struggling to pursue their interests and convert their hobbies and interests into as a career. So there are very few people who get this privilege. But when somebody is privileged, I suppose they should actually shout this out loud and let everyone know that it's not tough. It's just that people need to realize the right resources that they have, and put interest, their hobbies and resources together, evaluate that, gauge that, assess that, and then join wisely whatever that they want to do. So you are one perfect example of the roads not taken wala example ki 2 roads to tha, and you chose the right one. And that's the difference that you're trying to make. And that's actually applaudable, that's praiseworthy. Anyways, Sharanya, so आज का जो टॉपिक था ना, मतलब आज क्या every week we come up with a theme of discussion. तो जो इस वीक का जो हमारा थीम है, the theme of the discussion that we are going to have is shadow. I have my own way of looking at shadow. So every person has their own perspective of looking at shadow. In fact, when you were talking about your entire journey, so even in that I could see that shadow ka reflection. Matlab ki what is shadow in your life? Like for example, if I talk from my experience as a person, like I remember that shadow when what my interest was and what I was actually doing. So एक होता था जो मेरे मम्मी पापा पोर्ट्रे करते थे कि बेटा मेरा इंजीनियर बनेगा. I'm just taking that as an example. And मेरे अंदर से एक चीज था कि नहीं, मुझे ये तो करना ही नहीं है. This is something that I'm not supposed to do. I wanted to get into fashion journalism, which I finally got. तो वो एक दो चीज थी. इंसान के अंदर का जो दो चीज होता है ना, जो दुनिया देखती है और जो अंदर से होता है, तो शायद मेरे नजर में वो एक शैडो होता है। तो आपके लिए ऐसा क्या है जो शैडो, मतलब मैं अगर अपने नजर से आपको देखूं तो मैंने वो दो चीज आपने भी देखा। वन थिंग विच योर पेरेंट्स मेड यू रियलाइज दैट दिस इज एक्चुअली व्हाट शरण्या इज, यू नो, दिस इज हु यू आर। एंड एक जो था, जो आप हड़बड़ में थे कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन लेना था या somehow you just wanted to get into that and come out of it, तो वो एक एक्चुअल होता है। ये चीज मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, सेम PCM विद इकोनॉमिक्स, इंग्लिश एंड 6 सब्जेक्ट मेरा भी फिजिकल एजुकेशन था। अगेन दैट वाज द पॉइंट ऑफ कनेक्शन। एनीवेज, हाँ, तो ये दो चीज पे भी अगर हम बात करें तो मैंने एक शरण्या को ऐसे देखा, दूसरे शरण्या को ऐसे। तो आपके नजर से अगर मैं पूछना चाहूंगा, लाइक वो एक क्या ऐसी विशेषता थी, ये तो एक समांतर चीज थी आपके और मतलब दोनों में, आपके अकॉर्डिंग व्हाट्स द स्पेसिफिक थिंग दैट यू थिंक अबाउट शैडो और योर वे ऑफ लुकिंग इन दैट, वो थोड़ा अगर आप बताएं। टफ नहीं है, चलो
if I read, I mean, to me, I think if I have to find something I resonate with, am I audible? Because my connection's really bad.
No worries.
So if I have to really find something that I can resonate with in terms of shadow, I think you know how you said that with me, my parents were always very supportive, but
correct.
That's also true, the fact that there is unawareness about a lot of fields, about the scope in a lot of fields, and I can't speak for everyone, but personally I was very unaware. I think I did not have that kind of exposure, or maybe I was not that out, forthcoming, or I did not at that point of time, I don't know, whatever reason it was, but there were certain industries, there were certain fields that I was not aware of. And if I have to talk about shadow, and if I have to talk about awareness, then the very little that I can do at my end is generate that awareness, amongst my peers, amongst whoever I know. And I think the only way I can do it is to celebrate every artist, is to celebrate however small a label or an artist is in my own way, to promote their work, to talk about their work through my, I don't know, it could be through a one-on-one conversation, whether I'm physically present and I mention them, or whether I'm doing it through my stories, because I think everyone requires some level of push, every artist deserves that recognition. It's very important that you give them that push, and the world and people around realize what they are promoting, what they are marketing. Could be your own junior for that matter. I see so many of my juniors, and I was telling you that so meko to inke sath hi generation gap lagta hai, because these kids are so talented, and oh my god, I'm calling them kids. That's so bad. But all of them are so talented, and they have such strong opinions. They're ready to voice their consent and voice their dissent about anything, and they have all of this exposure and this confidence and this that I don't know, I feel like when I was the first year, there was nothing, I wasn't that confident. I did not know how to voice out my opinion. I did not have an opinion for that matter. And I see all of them, they have their art pages, and they have, they always have an opinion. They are standing for things, they're standing for what they believe in. And if the least I can do is, share their work, I think I'm doing my bit just by promoting their work. Recently, I found this illustrator whose work I really liked her work. So I thought, I'll send a message. If she sees it good, if she doesn't, she doesn't. And she sent me a response that, you really made my day. Thank you so much. And that's when you realize that irrespective of whatever platform the person is, wo kitna bhi, accomplished kyun na ho, everyone likes that appreciation, that little push, that little motivation.
Any day. Correct.
So if we can all do that,
So that, exactly. That's very much so. That's very much so. So, actually, that's something which even we all of us believe in, the people who are associated with Leicester. So the idea was every day, like I told you also, any day, I don't want people, or we don't want people कि यार मैंने ये अचीव किया, वो अचीव किया, यार ठीक है आपने अचीव किया तो आपको सब जानती है, तो मुझे वैसे लोग नहीं चाहिए, यार ठीक है अगर आप आते हो, more than welcome, but it would be great that we can have people who are struggling for something or who want to do something. I would love to promote them, I would love to talk about them, or love to hear from them, so that even if 4 or 5 people or 10 people get to know about that person, that boy or the girl, and even looking at them, if they start doing the same thing, तो यार वो खुद में एक उपलब्धि है, हमारे लिए भी, उस इंसान के लिए भी तो वो काम करता है, और उस तीसरे के लिए भी जो उसको देखकर वो काम करना चाहता है. और जो जनरेशन गैप की आप बात बता रहे हैं ना, अभी वी हैड समवन इन द कमेंट, अरविंद, उन्होंने लिखा कि हर सीनियर को लगता है, तो ये फैक्ट है, ये देयर इज समथिंग, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज एक्चुअली एग्जिस्टिंग। मतलब हर एक 2 साल के गैप में ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये हमसे ज्यादा एडवांस है, फॉर दैट मैटर। जैसे आपने कहा कि यू डिडंट हैव एन ओपिनियन, सच बात है यार, हमें तो पिछले 2 साल से पहले तक भी हमारी कोई ओपिनियन नहीं थी। तो this generation, the coming generation, they are, more, I would say, the more advanced for that matter, and more modernized for that matter, or uh, they have a modern need for that in that way, I would say. तो उनके पेरेंट्स भी वैसे हैं, मतलब हम अपने पेरेंट्स को आज भी कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं तो और पेरेंट्स आर लाइक कि नहीं हमें ज्यादा पता है, मतलब दे नो मोर। आज के पेरेंट्स हैं कि दे आर एक्सेप्टिंग देयर चिल्ड्रन, सो फॉर दैट मैटर इट्स अ शाउट आउट टू देयर पेरेंट्स आल्सो कि दे हैव रियलाइज्ड कि हाँ देयर इज अ गैप, and this is a smart generation that's coming. So it's a shout out for their parents also, and probably it's a good thing that all of them have their own opinion and they are ready. Like for example, हम लोग बहुत पीछे हैं. Like for example, today I am working with Lifestyle, ठीक है, I am working with Landmark Group. At the same time मैं weekend पे ये भी करता हूँ, मैं counseling के लिए जाता हूँ, मैं अलग-अलग fashion institutes में lectures के लिए जाता हूँ. So this is something which I started in last 3 or 4 years. But I have been in fashion since last 11 years. तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि आज के जो बच्चे हैं जो आते ही स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, हम जब फर्स्ट ईयर में आए थे तो हम एमपी क्रिकेट खेलते थे, इसके अलावा और हमें कुछ नहीं आता था। आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट आवर कॉलेज लाइफ है। तो ये जो शैडो है ना 2 जनरेशन के बीच में भी हमें दिखता है।
Promote and also a lot of times even when you're trying to compliment someone, we don't realize that you're actually I'll tell you what happened. Recently, I was talking to a friend of mine, and my brother was sitting beside me. I was on the call, and I was just complimenting her, you're very confident, and I really admire that. And I was just in general complimenting her about her confidence. And I cut the call, and my brother looked at me, and he told me that I don't know what context were you guys talking in, but it sounded like you were accusing her of being confident. It did not sound like a compliment. I was just complimenting her, I wish I was as confident as you, and you're so confident and you're so out there, you know how to be able to, you can present yourself so well and you can put your opinions out there. And my brother told me that I'm sure you intended for it to be a compliment, but it sounded like you were trying to say that Are tu to you were born confident, and you're almost negating the fact that to reach that place of confidence also requires a lot of mental effort. So whenever we say that this person is so confident or this person is so talented, you also have to make sure you're saying it in a tone of appreciation. You're not just trying to bring yourself down, but you're also telling them that you genuinely admire it. Make sure you're realizing and putting in that you're recognizing that for someone to be that confident, for someone to get that confidence to put their work out there is also a big accomplishment, because it takes a lot of guts, it takes a lot of a lot of willpower and a lot of courage to be able to put your opinion out there for everyone's scrutiny. Everyone's there to give you their opinion.
That's so true. That so what I want to tell you is that when we had a call today for the first time, we were actually talking कि यार कितना देर बात कर पाएंगे भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, but we didn't realize it's been almost
45
yeah, it's been 45 minutes, and the only reason is we came up with this very much interesting discussion about promoting people and celebrating everyone. It's very much necessary यार हमेशा हम, that's what I told that हम when we randomly pick up people and share their things जिसको हम जानते तक नहीं है, so वो करो, अच्छी बात है, that's always appreciable, but let's also promote people without always assessing them, scrutinizing them कि खराब किया अच्छा किया, थोड़ा सा उनको भी अगर appreciate कर देते हो, so I'm sure at least even if they are getting 1 or 2 visibility because of us, that's something which our strength and our capacity we have, so I'm sure people will appreciate it. And like since we have a time constraint, we would like to take this offline now. But Sharanya, it was really great to have you, and taking this offline, all I have to say is about you yourself, like you told, that how you picked up your hobbies, how you picked up your interests, and then how you grabbed your confidence, how your parents supported you. So you are one example for that matter that I want everyone to, firstly a huge shout out for all the audience that you gathered here. Thank you so much. And this is something which I want to tell everyone, that please talk more about this. Talk to your parents first, talk to your family, because कल भी ये बात हो रही थी when I was talking to the guest I had. तो हम जो भी सोशल मीडिया पे करते हैं, जैसे भी करते हैं, that's definitely we should do. But I think we are not that strong to put up an impact there, क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो हर कोई आता है करने के लिए. लेकिन if we are able to do that in our family, I'm sure we will be able to make a better impact. We'll be able to influence them more for sure, because they are the people who will actually realize. बाकी लोग तो ऐसे ही है कि अरे यहाँ फॉलोवर है, वर्चुअल इमेज होता है. लेकिन फैमिली मेंबर हमें अंदर से जानते हैं, या जो भी हमारे क्लोज सर्कल में होते हैं, they know us from in a better way, so we should put our influence there in front of them. वहाँ पे awareness फैलाना है, and like always at a positive note, we should keep our like whatever our hobbies and interests are, we should be more ardent, more fervent, more eager, and keen, enthusiastic, जो भी बोलो, towards it, and something so that we can be less desolate for that matter, and keep the goalful set outside of it, and just celebrate it and be happy. And I think that's something which I would like to end. So it was good to have you, Sharanya. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me, and best of luck with your platform. I think it's really nice that you're being able to bring out artists, and you're all discussing and talking about art and ways of expression, and I think we need more of that.
Thank you so much, Sharanya. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.